What's up guys, it's Joe from Bossco 4x4, here with a quick user's guide on how to use your electric roller shutter. So there's 4 ways that you can operate the roller shutter. First off, you've got your 2 standard options, which is your supplied remote, you've got the app, and then you've got your 2 optional extras, which is your in-tub button, or you can actually control it using your original key fob. First up, you've got your supplied remotes. Now there's 2 remotes in every kit and they're very intuitive to use. So you've got your lock button at the top that will close the roller shutter. You've got your unlock button, which will open the roller shutter. You've got your light on and your light off. Press once, your roller shutter will open. You can press the lock button at any stage to stop it anywhere along the track. And you can press unlock to continue, or you can press lock to bring it back. Press lock. Again, you can stop it at any stage. You can go backwards. Very easy to use. Our second function is the Bossco SmarCtr App, which you can find on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. When you first open the app, it will look like this. First press start scan and it will look for the roller shutter through Bluetooth. Obviously, if there's no other roller shutters around, it's just going to be the first one that pops up. Click on that. The default password is 123456. Now, we highly recommend that you change the password for security purposes, which you can do by double tapping the truck to bring up the cog button, and that will get you into settings. Press the cog button and scroll to the bottom and you'll see change password. Hit change, enter in your new password twice, and that would have reset your password. Now going back to the operation, all you have to do to open the roller shutter is press up. You'll actually see the roller shutter open in real time. So if you press stop at any time, you'll see on the screen where the roller shutter is open to, and that will correspond to the actual roller shutter. And you can start closing at any point. If you want to turn on the light, just hit the button on the left and you'll see a blue ring illuminate around the truck. And to turn it off, it's the button on the right. Next up, we've got our in-tub button and our plug and play harness. Now, technically, you can put this button wherever you want as long as the length of the harness permits. But we recommend inside the tub because when you lock your tailgate, the button is secure. The advantage of that is you don't have to carry around another bulky remote, because I know a lot of you tradies already have too many keys. Once your button is installed, to open your roller shutter, all you've got to do is do one long press, and that will activate the button and also open your roller shutter. It's done this way so that if you've got things rolling around in your tub and it accidentally bumps into the button, your roller shutter won't open straight away. You've got to do a long press for it to activate. When it activates, the light on the button will turn on, and that means you can press it a short press and the roller shutter will close. At any point you can do a short press of the roller shutter and that will stop it. When you operate the roller shutter using the in-tub button, the light will turn on as soon as you press the long press and will stay on until the roller shutter is fully closed. Last but not least, we've got operation using your OEM key fob. So in the kit, you'll find this harness where this end plugs into your electric roller shutter and this end is wired into the unlock wire in your OEM harness. So we do recommend that you use a professional auto electrician to do this because there can be quite a bit involved. We do have a growing database of step-to-step instructions on how to find and locate this wire, but we don't have this for every vehicle. So if you're unsure about doing this, please check with us first. All you've got to do is press the unlock button 3 times consecutively. 1, 2, 3. Roller shutter will open and the light will turn on straight away. Okay, to close it again, 1, 2, 3. Just like the button, you can stop it at any point by pressing it once. And To continue closing, press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can turn on the light by pressing it twice. You can turn it off by pressing it twice. Alright, this is Neel himself, the owner of the ute. So he's come back today for the central locking kit and the aftermarket extended sports bar. How are you finding the roller cover, man?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. It's really good. I never had any water go in.
Yeah.
I keep my tools in there. Everything's all nice and safe.
Yeah. Oh.
Everything's really good.
Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this answered all your questions about the electric roller shutter. If you have any questions, comment down below, and there's a link to find the roller covers down below. A lot of our customers love to pair this roller cover with the black extended sport bar, as well as our central locking kits, because what's the point of an electric cover if you still got to come to the tailgate and lock it manually with a key? Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.